Hello there, Zanna James here with your forecast. And today we saw moisture and instability ahead of the next tropical wave, bringing cloudy skies, heavy showers, and isolated thunderstorms, particularly across southern and western Trinidad. Zooming in on the rainfall and removing the cloud cover for a moment, most of the activity this evening has been focused over the northwestern tip of Trinidad and in the Gulf of Paria as well, where brief but heavy downpours led to flash flooding in parts of Port of Spain. In contrast, Tobago remained mostly settled throughout the day. Looking at that very incoming wave, this one has a tilted axis, meaning the southern portion of the wave will reach us first tonight, while the northern half will sweep across the northeastern islands tomorrow. So as we head into the night, we could see occasional showers with a medium chance for thunderstorm activity in Trinidad, but a low chance over in Tobago. Currently, temperatures are in the upper 20s to low 30s, but as the night falls, look for overnight lows between 24 degrees in Trinidad and 25 over in Tobago. Now, the second wave we are expecting between Sunday and Monday, and the third is projected for next Friday into Saturday. So clearly the interval between the waves are shortening, which is a sign as we get deeper into the hurricane season. Now, heading into the weekend, the trend is wetter, with Saturday expected to be the wettest day, but that doesn't mean constant rainfall. Most of the showers will happen in the morning, with conditions generally settling by the afternoon, and this will be the case for Sunday and Monday as well. At the moment, Wednesday looks to be our most promising day for uninterrupted sunshine, with daytime highs around 33 degrees, 33 to 32 in the daytime, and 25 over in the nighttime. Now, Tobago follows a similar pattern, with morning showers expected on Saturday as that tropical wave passes. Sunday brings a 73% chance of rainfall with scattered showers and a low chance of isolated thunderstorms. And Monday and Wednesday, we are expecting more sunshine. Tuesday, however, we could see a 70% chance for precipitation with trailing moisture from that next tropical wave. For Tobago, daytime highs will be around 31 degrees throughout the week, with nighttime lows around 25 and 26 degrees. And as always, wherever heavier rainfall occurs, there is the potential for gusty winds and street or flash flooding. So be cautious of that during those times. With all this moisture in the atmosphere, the break from Saharan dust continues through the weekend. However, concentrations are expected to start returning by Tuesday, trailing behind that departing wave. Otherwise, across our seas, spring tide remains in effect until Sunday, which not only affects nearshore conditions, but can also influence runoff rates. So we are keeping an eye on both coastal and low-lying inland areas. Otherwise, moderate conditions will persist throughout the weekend, with wave heights up to 2 meters in open waters, but below 1 meter in sheltered areas, though conditions can turn choppy near showers. And a quick update on the Gulf. That disturbance we've been tracking continues to shrink in size and development as well, now holding just a 10% chance as the low pressure area moves westward. And on the other hand, out in the eastern Pacific, the system southeast of the Hawaiian Islands has now increased to 60% chance for development over the next 7 days. Still, it is expected to stay south of the Hawaiian Islands as strong trade winds will continue to steer it away. Well, that's all for your weekend weather update. I am Zanna James, and I hope you have a safe and enjoyable weekend ahead.